Welcome back to another episode of Let's Talk About EDC. Top 5 carry items. Top 5 carry items on my list. Number one, flashlight. Okay, I don't know why, but it is. I digress. I've talked enough about it, but it's my list. And when you make your list, you let me know what's your top item. But this is the Olight Baton 4. So I got the premium edition. This is the fighter pilot. There's a little runway. Follow the arrows. Yeah, magnetic base. Dual pocket clip. Pop it on your hat. Super tiny. Love it. I got another one in OD green with the premium case as well. But yeah, there's like rivets and stuff on there. If you've ever worked in that field, you know what those are, but they're all over planes and helicopters and whatever else that flies. Nice bezel, gold. Love the pocket clip. Indicator. You got your light on one side. Focus. Focus. You got your light on one side. Battery on the other. Moonlight. Low, medium, high. Low, medium, high. Turbo. 1,000 lumens. From this little bitty guy. Proprietary battery. Magnetic charger on the base. Triple click. Strobe warning. And yeah, nice and tiny. So that's why it is definitely one of my favorite EDC carries. All right, let's see if I can remember this. We'll leave the conversation right there. Where would it rank on your list? Would it make your top 5? If so, let me know. Drop a comment below. If you like the video, you know what to do. If you want to subscribe, have at it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. EDC. Over and out.